What's up everyone, I'm Ben Peacock. Today we are at Texas Motor Works in Dallas, Texas, and today's all about suspension. Right now we currently are running the RPG perch collars with the Sasquatch suspension. That's what we put on a few months ago when we first put on the 37-inch Toyo tires. But today we're gonna pull that off, we're gonna pull off the Sasquatch suspension, and we're gonna replace it with King coilovers. So let's get started on that and we'll catch back up here in a minute. Let's get these open. All right, these are the King adjustable coilovers. We're about to drop these on the Bronco. This is the front, one of the front ones, and then we'll show you the rear in a second. What's up? We just finished the install and now I've got Jason Cook of Texas Motor Works here to talk us through what exactly we did. So Jason, take it away, man.
Yep, so today we took off the Sasquatch suspension with the RPG coil collars and we installed the King coilovers on the front and rear. The front, you have a single coil to address the leveling issue, and then the rear is a dual rate coil. So part of our partnership with King is that we're fortunate enough to get the original sets off the assembly line, and we were tasked with ensuring that the way they set them up from their factory is adequate for everything that you need and everyone else needs. So we left the adjustments alone on the original fitment, and they turned out to be perfect. We got about 2 1/4 in the front and about 1 1/2 in the rear, so it allows you to still fit the 37-inch tires, 1250 wide, on a zero offset wheel. One thing we did not anticipate is with the massive reservoirs that King uses up front, when you turn the wheel all the way, the tire does impact the reservoir pretty good. And it's not drivable for what we like to do. I mean, sure, is it possible? Yeah, but not for what you want to do with it and what you told me you wanted to do with it, so.
Yeah, it was rubbing a little when we would kind of try to pull out of a parking spot or things like that, so.
So we have two methods that we're going to try to address this with. The first one, hopefully, I got a text message the other day that said you've already ordered upper control arms.
Yep.
So the adjustable upper control arms will give us more finite adjustment with the alignment, so hopefully we can move the tire away from the reservoir. And if that doesn't work, then we'll just move the reservoir and figure out where else to put it.
Yep.
But yeah, everything went smoothly. The install was easy. Again, we left everything right out of the box, did not adjust anything, and the tires fit. So
yeah, stoked. It looks good.
have fun.
So we're pumped about it. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate you walking us through that. If you guys want to stay tuned for the next video, that's when we're going to go through all of the upper control arm installation, and we'll talk through what solution actually worked to fix the rubbing and all that. So I appreciate you guys. If you want to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what else you want to see, or if you have any questions about this King install, that'd be awesome. See you guys.